Good day guys, welcome to the first episode of the Fabulous Red Cooks, where most of our cooks are kept strictly under 30 minutes. Today I'm going to share with you a quick recipe of stir-fried noodles. As you can see, I am currently frying the eggs. And once the eggs are done, I set them aside and I put in more oil to fry the garlic. With the garlic, I normally like it a little bit brown and fragrant. Once the garlic is golden and done, it's time to add in the chili paste. With the chili paste, you can use store-bought. There's heaps on the shelves in the stores. For my case, I prefer to use homemade chili paste. Next, a dash of soy sauce. If you like more soy sauce, just add a little bit more, but not too much, because it is salty. Soy sauce really brings up that flavor in any cooking. Because I'm not using as much, I am also adding in a little bit of salt. Then I add in the vegetables. Then it's time to add in the noodles. Oodles of noodles. The noodles, I normally give it a quick rinse. I call it a flash rinse, just to get rid of the oil, because I don't like my noodles being too oily. Just keep giving it a good stir. Keep stirring and stirring and stirring. And then I toss everything else in, and again it is a stir fry after all guys, so yeah, just keep stirring and make sure everything is properly mixed in. And finally we add in the eggs, which were fried earlier on. There you go guys, it's a stir fry. This is one of the quickest stir fries that I always make. It should only take about 15 minutes to do it. Everything definitely below 30 minutes. So there you go, that's your quick stir fry. If today's video has been useful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Fabulous Red channel. See ya!